Hi friends, myself Sundara sir, and today I am going to teach you class 10th topic from pair of linear equation in two variable. And the topic name is cross multiplication method. Cross multiplication. By this method, we can find the value of x and y for the pair of linear equation in two variables. So first of all, write the given equation in a standard form. a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. And after that, we write x, y and 1. Now, here what we have to write? Coefficient. Coefficient which not include x. Coefficient which do not include x. See, if we write the coefficient here, so we forget about the x. So what are the rest of the coefficients are? b1, b2 and c1, c2. So we can write b1, b2, c1, c2. Now y. Now forget about the coefficient of y. Forget about the coefficient of y. C1, C2 is already written here. Now after that we can move to A1, A2. Now 1 means ignore the constant. If you ignore the constant, so A1, A2 is already written here. So now we can write B1, B2. It's depend upon how can you memorize these things. What is the criteria of writing? There is no criteria. This is the method that is the mention. So how can you remember? You can remember by this way also. The very first coefficient of x we can left out. So b1, b2 is there. Now b1, b2 in the beginning and b1, b2 in the end also. What about this? So constant and then variable of coefficient of variable of x. So you can write in this way also. Now what we have to do? Cross multiply. That's why its name is cross multiplication method. So here x is b1 c2 minus, first of all these two multiplied, and after that this one b2 c1 is equal to y upon c1 a2 minus c2 a1 is equal to 1 upon a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Now suppose this is first equation, this is second equation, this is third equation. Okay, so this is the constant one and these are the variables. So if you put 1 is equal to 3, then x upon b1 c2 minus b2 c1 is equal to 1 upon a1 b2 minus a2 b1, or x is equal to b1 c2 minus b2 c1 upon a1 b2 minus a2 b1. This is the value of x. Now if you put 2 is equal to 3, then y upon c1 a2 minus c1 a1 c2 a1 is equal to 1 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. So y is equal to c1 a2 minus c2 a1 upon a1 b2 minus a2 b1. This is the value of x and y. So we can solve the any pair of linear equation with the help of cross multiplication. Let us take some example. Suppose we have to solve suppose we have to solve 2x plus y is equal to 35 and 3x plus 4y is equal to 65. Now first of all we must write this equation as a standard form. So bring constant in left hand side. 3x plus 4y minus 65 is equal to 0. Now here a1 is equal to 2, b1 is equal to 1, c1 is equal to minus 35. a2 is equal to 3, b2 is equal to 4, c2 is equal to minus 65. Now by cross multiplication we start x, y, 1. X, y, 1. So first of all b1, b2, 1, 4. Then after b1, b2, c1, c2, minus 35, minus 65. Then a1, a2, 2, 3. Then again b1, b2, 1, 4. Then cross multiplication. Now this is, so x is, so x upon, I think, minus 65 plus y plus, because already we have to subtract. So minus minus plus. So plus 5 4 ja 23 4 ja 12 or 2 140 is equal to y upon, see, minus 35 into 3, 5 3 ja 15, 3 3 ja 9 or 1 10, minus 105, and then again plus 130 is equal to 1 upon 2 4 ja 8 minus 3. So x upon, I think, 5, then this become 13, 75. This is y upon 25, and this is 1 by 5. So 1, 2, 3. So x upon 75 is equal to 1 by 5, or x is equal to 75 by 5 is equal to 25. Similarly, y upon 25 is equal to 1 by 5, or y is equal to 25 by 5 is equal to 5. So the value of x is 25 and y is 5. So main thing is that first of all you write the coefficient a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2, so that you cannot confuse at all. And once you write the coefficient, then you can memorize the things. How can you write the cross multiplication coefficient? So first of all b1, b2, then c1, c2, then a1, a2, and then b1, b2. You can remember in consequence. B के बाद क्या आता है? C के बाद क्या आता है? A and then B. Please remember in this consequence B, C, A. First of all this coefficient, then this coefficient, and then coefficient again. This is in the last. Okay, I'm going to take another example. Solve by cross multiplication method. Solve 2ax plus 3by is equal to a plus 2b. 3ax plus 2by is equal to 2a plus b. So what we have to do initially? Initially we must write in the form of a standard form. So 2ax plus 3by minus a plus 2b is equal to 0. 3ax plus 2by minus 2a plus b is equal to 0. So here a1 is equal to 2a, b1 is equal to 3b, c1 is equal to minus a plus 2b, a2 is equal to 3a, b2 is equal to 2b, C2 is equal to minus 2a plus b. So how can you move again? X, y, 1 cross multiplication method. So here b1, b2, 3b, 2b. Here c1, c2 minus a plus 2b minus 2a plus b. Then a1, a2, 2a, 3a. Then again b1, b2, 3b, 2b. So cross multiplication. So cross multiplication. Now, what is denominator term of x? So this is minus 3b into 2a plus b. Minus minus plus. This is 2b into a plus 2b, or it is equal to y upon minus 3a into a plus 2b and plus 2a into 2a plus b, or constant term. This is 1 upon 4ab minus 9ab. 2 to the 4, 3 to the 9. So here x upon minus 3 to the 6ab minus 3b square plus 2ab plus 4b square, y upon minus 3a square minus 6ab plus 4a square plus 2ab is equal to 1 upon minus 5ab. Again x upon, I think, minus 4ab and then plus b square, y upon a square and minus 4ab, and this is equal to 1 by minus 5ab. So if you equate this one, x is equal to minus 4ab plus b square upon minus 5ab, and y is equal to, if you equate this one, a square minus 4ab upon minus 5. This is answer. So this is all about today's class, and I am going to give you another video on condition of unique solution, infinitely many solution and no solution. So please wait for that. Thank you.